What's up, guys? Busy day, crazy day. So today we're working on 2014 Nissan Sentra. So the vehicle came in with the AC problem, blow only hot air. Okay, let's confirm the customer complaint. Okay, first it starts the engine. As you can see, the engine running right now. So let's turn on the fan. Before turn on the fan, I got the temperature reading here. As you can see, fan on. Put in AC Mac, AC. Yeah. Let's see. As you can see here, the temperature right now. Hard for you to see in the video. It's about more than 80 degrees right now. As you can see, the more AC running, the more air flow to the vent, and the temperature is tend to be rise, no drop at all. Okay, as you can see, the AC on now and the AC Mac. Okay, anyway, so now it's about, let me see, almost 100 degrees right now after we run the AC for a while. So anyway, confirm the customer complaint. So let me turn the AC off and fan off and take it away. Okay, as you can see, every time the way I don't know, the way I do it, does I don't say it that's a good way, or I don't say it the bad way. So now, as you can see, the engine running right now. Let me first thing to do, I would like to check for the fan. First thing, engine run, AC off right now. And first thing I want to see, the radiator fan. As you can see, the radiator fan is off right now, no running at all. So back in the car, I will turn the AC on again. This time I not confirm the customer complaint anymore, but this time I want to check to see something. As you can see earlier, the radiator fan not turned on. Now I try to turn the AC on. Normally the driver does that. Okay, as you see again, the AC on. Now I will check for the radiator fan again. As you can hear in the video, the radiator fan turn on now. That means I have the ECM control the system. So one more thing, I want to see the AC compressor. As you can see, the AC compressor down there, the clutch. I don't know if you can see in the video, right there, the clutch is not engaged at all. Yep, I don't know if it's easy for you to see. As you can see, the AC clutch not engaged, no pumping at all. And I have the fan on, so now I believe in this case the vehicle got the AC system electrical problem, not electronic problem, because the ECM control the system. Even I don't need to check for the freon pressure here. I believe the freon pressure good enough in range. Let the ECM control the system. As you can see, the fan turn on right now. So Let me go back in the car again. Keep the engine running like that. So now I turn the AC off. Okay, fan off also, I don't care. As you can see, back to the down there. Where's my light? Okay, you can see the fan slowly down, and then it stops right now because no AC control at all. We turn the AC off, right? So now we have the direction to go. We have to check for the relay power supply, something like that. Inside this one is also we call the module, and also the field relay box. Okay, let me set up the camera, everything ready, and let you guys see. I don't need to access the wiring diagram because I already know. I worked for this model before. I don't care how many I worked before, and I still remember which wire for the AC compressor. I remember the wires, but I hate the Nissan. You see this fuel bar, and with the wire in the bottom like this, and not too long, but when we do it, we have to turn it over like this. That's why I really hate that. Okay, as you can see, we have right here the light blue wire. This wire, when the relay turn on, it will change the power. It will change the power to the compressor. Let the compressor clutch, engage, and spin. Okay, first thing I would like to do, I will use regard all the sound for electrical check. Okay, I will hook to the battery. Okay, right now the two hook on, as you can see. I will crack on it. You can see 14 volt something because the engine still running, guys. Negative, right? Positive. Okay, got it. On this wire, right now the engine running. AC off, but in this step, doesn't matter the engine run, the key off, doesn't matter. I would like to see on this wire, we should have the ground. This ground is sent from the compressor clutch. The ground is mounted somewhere, and then it will go through the clutch coil and then go back up here. In this case, you can see we have nothing here. We have nothing here. So, and the second two, I use the headlight. And now I would like to turn on the AC and to see the ECM control the relay on, and the relay is in good condition, working, and then it will change the power to this wire. Alright, and my headlight will put to the battery negative. Okay, and check for my headlight by check for connection here by checking positive. You can see the headlight light up right now. That means I have a good connection here. So I will put the headlight to the pin. Hopefully it stay in place. Okay. Okay, right now in the video you can able to see the headlight, right? The engine running right now. I will go inside the car and turn on the AC. If the headlight light up, that means inside this fuel box will be okay. And I'm not so positive it's the only problem with the compressor plug because there's no ground, sent to big wire. Okay, but I want to test more to see we have the power, the ECM control, everything here. By turn on the AC, the headlight will light up. I will turn on the AC right now. Okay guys, right now the AC on. Yep, we have the headlight layout that I would like to see. As you can see, in this design, the AC compressor relay is built in this box. No way to replace that relay. If the relay it doesn't send the power here, that means the owner have to remove the whole box here. Cost a lot of money. Okay, so that means right now I'm happy with this, and now I want to go to there and check to see what's wrong with the AC compressor plug. Let me turn the camera off and I will be over there, set up everything and let you guys see, quick check and find right away the problem in about 15-20 minutes and done, diagnose it. As you can see right now, I would like to go in the back of the AC compressor plug connector, the coil connector, to see any measurement right there. I don't know. I post camera is right. Even I don't see. Yep, you can see right there. Okay, I can pull back through the pin to the ground wire. Hopefully, it's hard for me to. I hate the Nissan. Anyway, seems like why this? Okay, hopefully it's connected. Okay, as you can see the T-pin right there, and let me choose the power probe. I would like to see why. If no ground right there, maybe chip fits. But if ground right there, okay, as you can see on my tool is silent ground. Okay, and now how we set for the coil open or not by remove this pin to another wire that we call before and after. You see earlier I test for before the coil on the connector, that means okay. Now after, okay, let's see, it say nothing here. And how we know nothing? Or back connection on that pin. I don't need to try to remove and back probe the pins. I show you guys how to test for the connection there by doing this. Okay, go inside the car. As you can see right here, the headlight is still there. Anyway, how can I take off the glove? Okay, anyway, I don't care, it's dirty in there. Okay, let me start the engine again. Okay, turn the AC on. Yep, I turned the AC on again. Okay, and you can see everything normal in here, and then out here, as you can see something earlier, AC on, the relation, the power here goes all the way to the compressor. So why this time I do that? Because I want to check if I have the power here, and you know what's going on with this. In case, well, let me see. Yep, we don't have a good connection now because the power not same here. Okay, hopefully it don't hurt my hand. Engine run right now. Hopefully this time I got a good connection. Hopefully. Yep, as you can see on the tube, it's telling me power now. I don't see the video, that's why I do many times, guys. See, or even hard for you to see in the video by see the light indicator here. I can do this. Yep, I can remove here. I don't need it no more. Here, all good here, guys. And I remove this to any the next ground here. Yep, let me check for the ground connection. Yep, as you can see. So good connection here. And now I use the headlight to set the pin with the headlight light off for more easier, you guys see in the video. Yep. That means, yep, as you can see, we have the power here, we have the ground, we have the power go to the AC compressor coil connector. So why the connector, the compressor plus nothing gate. Okay. No question about that. This vehicle needs the new AC compressor. That's it, guys. Quick check the video. Now it's time for dinner, and everything will be on tomorrow. Busy day, crazy day. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.